In this film, we will show you the possibility administrators of the system have and the things you should consider before changing an existing form that is published and users have stored data in. We will show different scenarios where you change existing forms and begin with making use of the function duplicate form, copying all existing data and then archiving the first form. When a form is being used and cases are registered, case numbers are created and data is stored in different fields. It is of utmost importance to know that when a field is erased in a form, all saved data for this field will also be deleted. A complete duplication of a form with a subsequent filling of the original form can be beneficial if you need to save all history before the form is being rebuilt. Another possible option could be that you have a vast amount of cases in 1 year and want to be able to search for cases without the use of any interval search. Then an archiving of previous data may be the solution. Duplicate the form without any data before archiving last year's cases, then rename the form so you can start over again. Access to archived forms is limited to only administrators. This can be changed by going to the settings page for the case management system, hovering over a form, then clicking the small padlock that appears and changing permissions for different profiles. If you have any remaining not finished cases, it might be a good idea to only give users editing rights, but to turn off the ability to register new cases. In our last example, we will go through the ability to hide fields for certain profiles. This can come in handy when you, for example, want to make a hidden cost calculation or hide fields that no longer should be used by users. As an example for the concealment of fields, we look at the form supplier deviation and its cost field. We do not want the supplier to be able to see our costs, so we hide them by selecting a cost field and selecting Access to the right. Now, for example, we set all profiles except supplier to editable. The ability to change the access to fields, groups or sections makes it possible to hide parts of a form when needed.